We'll guide you through how to view your Dropbox history. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on All Files. This will show you your current files and folders in Dropbox. Now, to view the history or previous versions of a specific file, locate and click on the file you want to check. After clicking on the file, you'll notice a small clock icon labeled Version History on the right side of the screen. Click that icon. A new panel will pop up showing the different versions of the file along with the dates and times they were modified. You can click on any version to preview it and see who made the changes. If you need to restore an older version, just click on Restore next to the version you want to revert to. This will replace the current file with the older version you selected. It's a great feature for when you need to undo changes or recover information from a previous edit. Remember, this works for files like documents, spreadsheets, and more. And that's it. You're all set to view and manage your Dropbox file history with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.